Thank you. Guys, so pwede na mong lingkod. The opening song, then the opening prayer, and then commentary. After the commentary, muna kay Bible reading. Yeah, ang ikuha ng mga reading is the reading of the day, under the gospel of today, ng Sunday Gospel. Then after sa Sunday Gospel, yung na-input si sister regarding the Sacred Heart. Okay? So, then after sa input ni sister, resulta sa ato ang business meeting. Okay? Thank you very much. May holy heart of Jesus here, O heart of love divine, listen to our prayer. Kumusta nanay?
Taluwi sa Diyos, hindi na upo.
Nagbakasyon na yung anak mong madre sa Italy.
Hapit na.
Hapit na.
September.
Hello! Mangita kung makaon ha. Very good lang gihapon. Oh, jogging ko kada buntag.
Offer you my prayers, works, joys, and sufferings on this day. In union for a holy sacrifice of the Mass throughout the world, I offer them the intentions of your Sacred Heart, salvation of souls, liberation of sin, the union of all Christians. I offer them the intentions of our bishops, the clergy, and all
Study by the University of the Philippines Foundations in June 1 and 2 Filipino youth grow up without both parents. One of the primary goals is sacrifice and his desire for intimacy with his followers. So yan desire, ang iyak ang patutan sa pagbalimon isip sa petisyo sa tanan kinihatag silang kaugalingon o misunod ng Kristo. Dili lang sa pulong o intang followers, it is both words and action. Hindi ko about sa devotion of the Sacred Heart, because later we will know kanusta din siya nasugod, no? Okay. Unsa man kay importante ang significance of this devotion. Okay, that's the purpose. Another purpose is to explore the historical and biblical foundations of the devotion. Because the devotion cannot be, hindi na po siya pwede nga ilapna sa simbahan without any authorization, most especially, and without basis from the Bible. Di hangin na masukat yun na sa tanan, no? So there will be basis from the Bible, and who will be the Pope who proclaimed and promulgated this devotion. That's why you want the members of it. Not just human devotion. And St. Margaret Mary Alacoque and the Revelations. With the revelation, someone revealed himself to her. And let us discover who is that someone who revealed himself to St. Mary Alacoque. In the year 1673 and 1675. So there were at least 2 years of apparition or revelation. Duha ka tuig. Just imagine for 2 years, 73, 74, 75. Right? Again. Then, this is it. The Pope who endorsed and had the approval is no other than Pope Pius IX. Officially approved the feast and days establishment of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. So siya ni nasa gospel who squandered everything because Augustine is a rich man, no? Unya ka na bisyo, iyag yung giagian, burabuya. Buslam na kinabuhian, giagian na kami. Ano ko'y magmahay? No? O sa ato pagkakano ng pangunahon na, okay, mapit na bubuhat na sa bubuhat ng decision, nagian. Pero there is a mother whose heart is always kana kung gugma kaway ka pagkahubas ba, mas Joseph ay mga itong sa anak siya ng heart sa mother, no?
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Mami.
Excuse. Ana, sudan sa balay. Laing. Yang ka.